Hello, in this short lecture I will try to answer on two questions. The first question is how the universe was created, and the second question is if the universe was created from nothing, then who created nothing? The answer to the first question, how the universe was created, is actually that the universe was created in two stages. In the first stage, when there was nothing in the universe, the basic elements were created, and in the second stage, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created, and that stage called actually the Big Bang stage. Okay, so in the first stage there was nothing in the pre-universe, and nothing is also defined as quantum fluctuations. And quantum fluctuations are actually a change in the amount of energy in a point in the space. So that change or changes in the amount of energy can create virtual particles, and from that virtual particles, real particles can be created, and from that real particles, basic elements can be created. So that was the first stage in the creation of the universe. And the second stage in the creation of the universe, that is the Big Bang stage. And actually the reality in the pre-universe was that all the matter in the pre-universe was concentrated in a small dense point. Okay, and the density of that point was infinite. And from that reason it exploded, and in that way all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created. So that is the two stages that the universe was created. Okay, and the answer for the second question, who created nothing, is very simple. Nothing that also defined as quantum fluctuations was never created because it always existed. Okay? So we can summarize the short lecture and say that the universe was created in two stages. The first stage, there was nothing in the universe. Nothing is also defined as quantum fluctuations. And in that stage, basic elements were created. And in the second stage, that is the Big Bang stage, all the elements, the stars and the galaxies were created, and nothing that is also quantum fluctuations was never created because it was always existed. Okay, thank you very much.